Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets in small letters. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'll take red color to write the first line. Okay, so this is small letter A for apple, A for apple. This is small letter B for ball, B for ball. Small letter C for cat, C for cat. Small letter D for dog, D for dog. Small letter E for elephant, E for elephant. Small letter F for fish, F for fish. Small letter G for gate, G for gate. Next I'll take yellow color and write the second line. So after G it is H. This is small letter H, H for house, H for house. Small letter I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Small letter J for jacket, J for jacket. Small letter K for kite, K for kite. Small letter L for lion, L for lion. Small letter M for monkey, M for monkey. Small letter N for nose, N for nose. Next I'll take blue color and write the third line. Okay, so after N it's O, small letter O for orange, O for orange. Small letter P for peacock, P for peacock. Small letter Q for queen, Q for queen. Small letter R for rabbit, R for rabbit. Small letter S for sun, S for sun. Small letter T for tiger, T for tiger. Small letter U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Next I'll take green color and write the last line. So after U it is V for vegetables, V for vegetables. W, small letter W for watermelon, W for watermelon. Small letter X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Small letter Y for yacht, Y for yacht. Small letter Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets in small letters. So that's it for today kids. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.